In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a Shopify 3-month trial. We're going to walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign up for Shopify, start your free trial, and unlock the extended 3-month offer for just $1 per month. First, open your web browser and go to Shopify's official website. Make sure you're on the real Shopify page, not an ad or a third-party site. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a button that says something like Start for Free. Go ahead and click that. After you click the button, the page will reload and Shopify will ask you how you want to sign up. You'll usually see a few options. You can continue with an email address, or you might be able to use accounts like Google, Apple, or Facebook. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on using an email address, since that's the most common option and works for almost everyone. In the email field, type in the email address you want to use for your Shopify account. This should be an email you can access easily because Shopify will send important updates and account information there. Once you've entered your email, click the button that says Continue with Email. The page will reload again, and now Shopify will ask you to create a password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used on other sites. It's a good idea to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure. Type your password in carefully, and then click the button to log in or continue. After logging in, you'll be taken to a page that shows you the trial options. Here, you'll typically see Start for Free, which gives you access to Shopify free for 3 days. You'll also see an offer that says something like Stay for $1, which lets you keep using Shopify for 3 months for only $1 per month. To unlock that 3-month offer, you'll need to enter your payment details. This can be a credit or debit card or a PayPal account, depending on what Shopify supports in your region. Carefully fill in your payment information. Double check everything, and when you're ready, click the button that says Subscribe for $1. Once that's done, your Shopify trial and extended 3-month offer will be active, and you can start building your store right away.